Did Mom forget to feed you last night? I'm really sorry. I've never done that before. 3 hours late.
What could possibly be worse?
What in the world? Hi! You're so cute.
Gemma, come on, let's go. Gemma, you want a treat? You want a treat? Come on now, Gemma. Come on, let's go. Come on, Gemma. Come on. Come on. That's right now. Yes, yes, yes.
Nobody told this kitten that spiders are supposed to be scary.
Oh my god, if that was me, I would be so scared.
Wow. Are you kidding me? Murph.
Sit. You guys side. You guys side. Sit. Come here. Sit. You guys side.
Arreglando la casa y lo dejé caminando. ¿Qué hasta aquí? ¿Media hora?
I want to start cleaning the baseboards and this little...
That trash can picked the wrong yard this week.
No, inside todo, dale, inside.
Because how he got in the damn necklace with me. There's not, like, there is such a thing as personal space. He's like, finally, we're close enough.
Hey friends, these animals always know how to make us smile. Let's take a look.
How long do you reckon you'll go for this time? 5 minutes? Alright, I'll record him.
If there's a cat near a box, expect the unexpected.
Don't body slam me, don't body slam me. Do not body slam me. Do not body slam!
It's random moments like this that make cats impossible not to love. Share your cat's strangest habit in the comments.
Hey.
Agora vai. Quase, cara. Ah, foi. Lá.
Some dogs guard the house. This one guards the pickle.
Oh, stop being so fast. Please do something for once.
Dig in. Daisy. Dig in. Daisy. Dig in.
When the paperwork piles up, this assistant is always ready.
Dave, I love you. Oh, wow.
Stegosaurus and that velociraptor. Ah, don't stick your hands in, guys. They'll get you. Look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Let me see those teeth.
To this kitten, those floppy ears are the best toys in the house.
He's never gonna be awesome. Enough.
He's making it very clear that the grooming session is over.
You don't want me to play? Oh, Jackson.
It's okay. It's you. It's okay. We didn't get another dog. It's just you, buddy. It's just you.
When the neighbor's dog wants to visit, fences don't really matter.
What's in your mouth? What are you sitting here with your mouth?
Walking into the room automatically triggers the cat dialogue.
Puppy. Come here, little. You're a cute pumpkin. And Sophie's a good grandma.
Every masterpiece starts with one very confident brushstroke.
I'm crying because I love you, and then you do evil things. You are evil.
Playing in the rain wasn't enough, so he decided to drink the whole storm. He's fine with sharing, as long as he gets all the attention.